So, ngayon mga King Crafter, maglalaro po tayo ng Would You Rather. P4 sa akin, kasi basta 4, masaya. Kung rich, hindi.
Would you rather be tall or be short?
Be tall. Uy! Bumalik naman ako sa normal. Nice one. At lumaki pa ako. Gusto ko malaki lang ako. Ay! Dulo nga yung malaki ako.
Would you rather marry 6'7" or marry Skibbity Toilet?
Marry 6'7".
Chat, we are gathered here today to witness a monumental
Hello,
W.
best friend ko
We
yan.
are here to lock in the bond between this absolute unit, 67, and our fellow legend on the right, 67. 6'7". Do you promise to be a good and do you always take 67 to be your
Oo, tayo na lang. Kakasalan ba ko ba? Hindi naman. Joke lang yun. Laro lang yan eh.
Would you rather save your pet or save your best friend?
Ang pipiliin ko? Save my best friend na lang. Sorry, pet. Basta gusto ko yung pet. Basta best friend, di mamamatay. Tao yun eh. Tao yun eh.
Would you rather be a girl or a boy?
Be a boy naman. Bakit naman be a girl? Boy naman ako.
Would you rather fling your friend or fling a baby?
Fling a baby na sa... Oh, akala ko maliligtas yung baby. Oh, wag yun. Dapat best friend na lang ang masunog ko. Joke lang. Dalawa sila. Di masunog.
Would you rather adopt a dog or a baby?
Adopt a baby? Uy! Salamat na lang. Sumusunod sa akin. Ibibigay ka na ng lollipop. Ay, di Robux pala. Wala ko di. Sobrang ingay mo, baby. Mahingit na
Would
nga.
you rather join the group
Baka
like
sa
the
pala
game
yun.
or be
You are
grounded
grounded
by
for
mom?
6-7 days. Oh, I'm
Dito ako.
Escape home by walking out the
You are
Sobrang
door.
grounded
ingay
for
mo.
6-7
Ano
days.
naman?
Oh, I'm so mad at you.
Saan ba yung
You will
exit?
not leave this house.
Saan?
You are grounded for 6-7
Nasaan ang
days.
exit?
Oh, I'm so mad at you. You will not leave this house.
Saan na, lo?
You are grounded for 6-7 days. Oh, I'm so
Nasaan na
mad
ba,
at you.
na ba ang
You
exit?
will not leave this house. You are grounded for 6-7
Uy,
days.
dito.
Oh,
Skip. Skip.
Would you rather have a pet unicorn or a pet talking cat?
Have a pet talking cat. What the? Sobrang ingay.
Rather wear a suit every day or have boots that make you jump super high?
Gusto ko, maging superhero ako. Ako, yung likod. Karoon yung likod.
Rather be able to talk to animals or be able to turn invisible for 10 seconds?
Para din yung pusa. Ayun, wala nang maingay. Ayun na. Kala ko di na ako makakalabas. Nagre-respawn na ako yun. Hindi ako makalabas.
Would you rather have a magic backpack that always has snacks or a magic book that tells fun stories?
Fun stories sa akin. What? 6? Sobrang saya. Nagbasa dito.
Would you rather have a pet baby dragon or a pet baby dinosaur?
Have a pet baby dragon sa akin. Oh, di na nang maingay. Sobrang gandang boses.
Would you rather eat chocolate or candy?
chocolate. Wala, lumipad ako. Bakit? Diba? Lumipad ako.
Would you rather be a tiny elf in a big world
Gusto ko
or a
dito.
big giant in a tiny world?
Pumunta ko dito. Gusto ko yun. Bakit naman? Langit naman ako lumipad. Di naman yan nakakalipad eh.
Would you rather go back to the first world or finish the game?
Finish the game na ang sa akin. Yay! Finish the game na. Finish the game. Yes, meron na akong isla pa. Nag-leave na. Finish niya eh. Yun, nag-leave. Pinapalo ko yun. So, ngayon mga Kinecraftor, ayaw ko na. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!